As Europe's largest producer of potato products in the out-of-home segment and one of the top 5 global market leaders, Aviko connects people, cultures and tastes by bringing joy to the tables all over the world. Our specification management system has reached its technical end of life. We have seen the opportunity to improve towards a PLM system. We decided to invest in Centric Software's PLM solution to make our company and systems future-proof for all market-specific product data and regulatory requirements. We needed a modern solution to support our growth plans, manage product specification processes, and make customer service stronger in multiple markets and regions. Implementing the new PLM system at Aviko involved many of Aviko's teams and departments, like quality, regulatory, innovation, procurement, packaging, commercial coordination, and so on. Aviko will enter a new era of software user experience. The modern, easy-to-use, and intuitive look and feel will make the job of all teams involved much easier.
With the new PLM system, we can streamline the management of all product-related data. This makes it easier to access, update and share information about ingredients and additives, semi-finished products, packaging materials and products across the company's departments and production plants. In Centric PLM, we can more easily maintain our library data in multiple languages. When a library item is adjusted, this will automatically be reflected in all specs in which the item is included. We can easily generate specifications in different languages, making them suitable for our customers in international markets.
Centric PLM will give us the opportunity to improve end-to-end packaging development. The system holds all relevant labeling information for specific regions and channels to ensure quick generation of compliant labeling briefs. Cross-functional teams use the same data source and have insight in project progress. That way we can collaborate efficiently to define artwork briefs and prove them, but also define, manage and source packaging items, all in one system.
Centric PLM enables Aviko to store all information in one system. We have a single source of truth, which allows better support for many Aviko teams. We can store supplier-specific data, claims, certificates and contractual documents all in one place.
For product development, this means the complete product development process is going to be managed and filed in the new system. You can, for example, create trial recipes, or you can calculate a draft declaration or nutritional value. For product management, a new overview will be created that is more easy and shows both existing and new products. But also product changes and projects are going to be mapped and tracked. Centric PLM will help us to automate part of our manual ways of working. You will be able in the new system to track the status of processes like the implementation of new products in real time. Once one step in the process is done, you will automatically go to the next step and the next person to do their tasks will be notified. This will save us a lot of time searching for the status of processes and chasing after people.